The 2025 Chevrolet camper has officially arrived, and it's redefining what we expect from a modern-day motorhome. It's not just a vehicle, it's your personal 5-star suite on wheels. Engineered for families, digital nomads, and adventure seekers who refuse to compromise comfort for mobility. From the moment you lay eyes on the exterior, the Chevy camper makes a strong first impression. The design is bold and aerodynamic, yet robust enough to handle serious terrain. Up front, you're greeted by a wide, muscular grille adorned with a modernized Chevrolet emblem, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that stretch into the sides like wings. The body features high-grade aluminum and lightweight composite materials to improve efficiency without sacrificing durability. Side profiles reveal power retractable steps, flush-mounted windows, and a seamless awning system that deploys with a touch. Every panel is precision cut, every contour sculpted to reduce drag and improve fuel economy. And the rear, it's fitted with a smart access tailgate and advanced LED tail lamps, integrating safety with style. Add the optional roof-mounted solar panels, and you've got a self-sustaining powerhouse on the go. Let's talk dimensions. At just under 27 feet long, the 2025 Chevrolet camper strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and spaciousness. It's wide enough to feel like a home inside, but compact enough to handle winding roads and tight campsites. Under the hood, Chevrolet delivers a hybrid powertrain built specifically for extended range and performance. You get a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a 100 kW electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack. Combined output, a respectable 390 horsepower and 420 pounds-ft of torque. That means you can easily tow extra gear or even a small trailer without breaking a sweat. Acceleration isn't sports car fast, but for a motorhome, 0 to 60 in just under 9 seconds is impressive. What really shines is how smooth the drive is. Chevrolet has integrated magnetic ride control, adaptive air suspension, and advanced noise cancellation. Whether you're cruising down the highway or off-roading into the woods, it feels remarkably composed. The turning radius is tight. Visibility is excellent thanks to the 360-degree camera system, and lane keep assist works like a dream. Fuel economy is another strong suit. Thanks to the hybrid setup and lightweight frame, you're looking at an average of 22 mpg combined, which is stellar for a vehicle this size. When running fully electric, you'll get about 40 miles of range, perfect for short trips around camp or city errands without burning fuel. Now, for pricing. The base model of the 2025 Chevrolet camper starts at around $98,000. That gets you the essentials: hybrid power, smart climate control, a full kitchen setup, and a queen-size bed. Step up to the premier trim at $115,000 and you unlock premium wood interiors, heated massage chairs, upgraded solar capacity, and a surround sound infotainment hub with satellite connectivity. And if you want the full luxury suite experience, the top-of-the-line Signature Edition will set you back about $135,000, but includes everything from underfloor storage to voice-activated smart lighting, dual-zone climate control, and a retractable roof deck. What's impressive is the amount of tech packed in. You've got a fully digital cockpit with a 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated Wi-Fi for up to 8 devices, and even remote control via the Chevy Smart Camper app. You can lock and unlock the doors, monitor battery levels, and even activate the air conditioning all from your smartphone. Safety, top marks across the board. The 2025 Chevrolet camper includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking with pedestrian detection, trailer sway control, and blind spot monitoring. You also get crosswind assist and hill descent control, to features that really come in handy when exploring rougher terrain. In a market full of bulky, outdated motorhomes, Chevrolet has delivered a sleek, modern, and intelligent vehicle that feels like a glimpse into the future. It's tough, yet elegant, powerful, yet eco-conscious, and most importantly, it gives you the freedom to explore without ever feeling like you've left home. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just taking a long scenic route across the country, the 2025 Chevrolet Camper is ready to deliver the journey of a lifetime. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile lifestyle upgrade. And once you step inside, you may never want to come back.